green tea tastes better out of green mugs. NVIDIA's GTC conference, which is one of the biggest AI conferences in the world, is happening next week on 12th April up until 16th of April. It's completely free, of course. There are going to be many exciting sessions. This video, I'll just go over the sessions that I am really excited about, and there's a giveaway in this video as well as in the previous one that I have uploaded. So to know more about that, I'll share the details towards the end of the video. So there's a link to sign up in the video description. Check that out. You can sign up using that. The first thing to check out would of course be the keynote. Thing I'm worried about is usually they announce GPUs every 2 years. So major upgrades, major architecture upgrades happen every 2 years. I'm a little worried that maybe A6000 isn't the sexiest graphic card anymore, assuming they announce a new GPU. Realistically, that won't happen. I'm expecting a 3070 Ti, a 3080 Ti, somewhere in between of the 3070 and 3080 and the 3080 and 3090. So maybe something exciting for all of us as deep learning practitioners. We might get a better option for graphic cards, but we'll have to wait until the keynote to check it out. All of the key pioneers of AI deep learning, Geoffrey Hinton, Yoshua Bengio, Jan LeCun, Yugen Schmidhuber will be talking at the conference. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight the session and have them linked in the description in case you would like to check them out. We at Machine Learning Tokyo Slack are also doing a watch party. So if you'd like to join that, please feel free to join the group. I'll have the Slack linked as well. Raquel is going to be talking about a future with self-driving vehicles. That's if you're from, or if you hang out enough on Twitter, you actually start recognizing all of your favorite heroes and you start remembering their names. I think to us it's just like remembering your favorite heroes or celebrity. Dieter Fox is going to be talking about using deep learning and simulation to teach robots manipulation in complex environments. Nima Anand Kumar is also speaking about autonomous robots. Two other sessions that I'm pretty excited about would be there's a talk by Sumit Chintala and Francois Chole. So of course there's a debate about using PyTorch or TensorFlow, which one should you pick. Rohan Rao answers this really well. You don't want to fight, just pick what works best and maybe use both. You should learn both. You should be able to use both. So Francois will be talking about the future, I think, of Keras and TensorFlow, so the next 5 years. And Sumit is also speaking about this similar, on a very similar topic. So I am more of a PyTorch person, but I think I'll attend both of the talks. I don't think it's a fight. It's two open source frameworks that are improving day by day, and we as practitioners get to see best of both worlds. So yeah, I'll enjoy both of these talks. Outside of these, Helena Sarin, who's one of my favorite AI artists, is going to be presenting her artwork. I was actually very excited to meet her at GTC last year. I had pinged her, and I think all of us FastAI folks were pretty excited about getting together for a chai dinner or something like that. But her work is just amazing. I'll also have her Twitter linked in the show. I'm used to saying show notes in the video description. Check her work out, it's pretty awesome. So there's an art and music gallery, an AI art gallery, which I'm pretty excited to check out. And now that I have an A6000, there was this video I think I saw on YouTube floating around in the recommendations by an artist who was working with 3 RTX 8000s, the predecessor of the A6000, essentially 348 gig GPUs for video production. And what I believe they were doing were they were rendering a scene on these 3 cards and blending it with VR. So it was a mix of AR of sorts. But how these people, or how these cards are very useful for in-camera VFX and virtual production. Those would be the top sessions that I am pretty excited about. If you'd like to join a watch party, please check out the Machine Learning Tokyo Slack. NVIDIA hosts deep learning trainings on the website. You can see the link right here. They have been kind enough to send over a few coupon codes for the giveaway. So essentially I've been provided 5 coupons. So there's a giveaway of total of 10 coupons, 5 of which will be on this channel. So if you haven't seen the A6000 first impression video, please check that out. Feel free to leave a comment there. Or on this video, a total of 5 winners will be picked from these comments. Or if you'd like to broaden your chances, you can also join the Machine Learning Tokyo Slack, where we are doing a giveaway as well of 5 more coupons. I'll try to make a video if they release any interesting new graphic cards or any interesting stuff. But we'll have to wait and see. That's it for this video. The ones following this will be an unboxing of another 3090, your monthly graphic card unboxing, and finally a video on Proton.